Hi, okay, today we're going to learn about how to find the derivative using the definition of a derivative. So if a question asks you to find the derivative, but it says the definition of a derivative, it wants you to use this. So the limit of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h, and it's as h approaches 0. So that's the formula to find the derivative using the definition. So the very first thing you do, so here's f of x. The first thing you do is find f of x plus h. So all you do is wherever you used to see an x in your function, you substitute that in with an x plus h. Then I always simplify this first outside of the formula just to keep my life easier. So x plus h squared is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 3x plus 3h minus 1. Then I'm going to distribute this 2. So 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared plus 3x plus 3h minus 1. So that whole thing is f of x plus h, and this is f of x, so now I have everything I need to plug in that formula. So the limit as h approaches 0, just going to copy off there whatever f of x plus h is. So that whole thing is replacing here. This is f of x plus h. Now I need to subtract f of x. What I need to be really careful of is that I'm subtracting the entire function, so I basically need to distribute the negative. So it's going to be minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. And that is all over h. And at this point, some things are going to cancel. So 2x squared and minus 2x squared, 3x and negative 3x, minus 1 and 1. So that leaves me with the limit as h approaches 0, this. The next step is I can take an h out of everything. So I have the limit as h approaches 0 of 4x plus 2h plus 3 all over h. Oh, sorry, the h is gone now because I took an h out of everything. So I took one h out of here, one out of here, one out of here, and one out of here. So I'm left with that. Now I need to evaluate the limit as h approaches 0. So I basically just plug in h as 0. So makes that 0, so the answer is 4x plus 3. So that is what the derivative of f of x is using the definition of a derivative.